Most of these facts are really amazing, but we might hardly know. But do you know that if you trace your family tree back 25 generations, you will have 33,554,432 direct ancestors, assuming no incest was involved. An asteroid wiped out every single dinosaur in the world, but not a single species of toad or salamander was affected. No one knows why, nor why the crocodiles and tortoises survived. Your body sheds 10 billion flakes or skin every day. The Hawaiian alphabet has only 12 letters. Every time you sneeze, your heart stops a second. There are 22 miles more canals in Birmingham, UK than in Venice. Eskimos have hundreds of words for snow but none for hello. Albert Einstein never wore any socks. And finally, it is physically impossible for pigs to look up at the sky.